I take a laugh. Do you know why I take a laugh? Because Joy is coming out with his junior brother. He said this is twins. They are twins or twist. Oliver Twist. Does that boy look like twins? That boy does not look like twins now. You are not like twins to the boy. It's not a twins to you. It's not even identical. Is it identical twins or just maybe it's not identical twins? I don't think it's not identical twins. Okay, they just twins. They came at the same time, but they are not identical. Fine. Or they came out one after the other. They came out. This one came out, and the other one came out. They are not identical. Or if you want to say that is your twins, fine. That guy look older too. That guy does not look. He's not looking too young. That guy is like 30 years. That guy should be like 30 years, 30. That guy should be like 30 something. You gave that boy like 5 years ahead of you. That your brother that you are presenting. Guys, I need you to see this, but tell me how old do you think that guy is? I'm going to drop it on my screen here. I'm going to drop it on the screen, or after this video you're going to see it on the screen. Please watch and tell me how old do you think that Joy brother is. He said this is his brother, but they don't have resemblance. But he said his brother. Well, let's accept it. But as for me, that boy is 30 something years, like 30. That boy is from 30 something years. That boy is not like 20. That boy is 20. That boy is 30. That boy is from 30 something. But it's from 30. Start from 30. Yeah, that boy is around is 30, and after that it's 30 and 30 something. Why you Joy is 40? Yeah, that one is short. Joy is 40. Joy you are 40, 41 years now. It's not a joke. It's telling on you. We can see it. Yeah, we can see it. It's not a joke. You are not 25. Go and bring your real birth certificate, not Oluwale. No, Oluwale. Go and bring your real birth. Then go to the hospital where you are born. Bring that real birth certificate from the hospital. Or bring your child when you were little, the time you were young, very, very young. Bring like two to three of it. Then we will tell you how old you are, say, on that age and this stage, yeah. So stop telling us lies. Don't stop lying. Anyway, guys, I need you to watch this video and see, but not video. It's like a photo. Watch it and see. Just watch the photo and see. I will put it up on my screen here. You're going to see it up on my screen. So watch it up on my screen and tell me how old you think that his brother is. I will see you anyway. I'm always your boy, Kim Boy. Please, those of you that are subscribing, thank you for subscribing. And those of you that have been sending the message, thank you for your comment. Your comments are doing wonderful. You can see that your comments are changing a lot of things. So that's why you need to help. Send your comment. And I told you guys, please come to Facebook. I will not keep, so come to Facebook, or come on Facebook, Jimmy White. Locate me on Facebook, Jimmy White. Jimmy White is JIMMY HHITE. Jimmy White. I say I come again, JIMMY HHITE. I come again, JIMMY HHITE. That is Jimmy White. So use that. Go to your Facebook, type that name on there and click, and you will see me. That you do the follow, and that way you stand the chance of winning this cash giveaway. The amount is about to end. It's ending. Or you go to my comment section and click on the link that is there. It will take you straight. Or you copy Jimmy White. It's just Jimmy White. You are going to locate me on the Facebook. That's where I am, dropping videos that you are not seeing here. So let's go there. Come there, because there's a new videos that will be dropping on there too that you will not be seeing on there. So you need to see it there. So come up and let's view that place and let our voice be heard. I'm expecting you guys there. Thank you very much. I'm always your boy, Jimmy. See you soon.